Hi everyone, today our topic is different way to say sorry. Let's start. I'm sorry. Sorry. I'm incredibly sorry. I am sorry I forget. I am sorry I forget your name. I am sorry I did not listen to you. Sorry to bother you. I am sorry about yesterday. Sorry I kept you waiting so long. I am sorry, will you repeat the question once? I am sorry for what I did. I am sorry for what I said in anger. I am sorry I have made you angry. Sorry, it won't happen again. Sorry, it's my fault. I apologize. Till the next video, take care. Bye bye.